back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is hiring in the United States and in Canada. The links to this page, if you're interested in applying, is in the YouTube description box below this video. And real quickly, just a disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and while I do try to do my own research and weed out any scams, I please encourage you to do your own research on any of these companies and try to look up reviews on them before you give them any of your personal information. And of course, never give anybody any money, never pay for a job or to get started in a job. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company CAD Talk. Now, this is posted by Great Assistant. Great Assistant is like a staffing agency for virtual assistants. They work on connecting different companies with entrepreneurs or people who are trying to be independent contractors, mostly people who, work for themselves, being virtual assistants or virtual receptionists. Now, this is going to be a W-2 position actually for the United States, but a 1099 contractor position if you are in Canada. But as a virtual assistant does, they're looking for people to do the administrative work. You'll be managing CEOs' emails and scheduling and calendars. You'll be extracting and organizing key action items and meeting summaries from meetings. You'll maintain documentation for knowledge transfer and efficiency. You'll help establish systems and processes. You'll coordinate the CEO's travel arrangements and collaborate with other team members. You'll also help support social media activities. This may require you to help post for the company on social media, different things like that. Now, best part about this position, they are not requiring any actual experience. They're looking for someone who has a great work ethic and can work independently, someone who is a self-starter, someone who will take responsibility and be accountable for their actions, someone who has great organizational skills, great time management skills, and strong communication skills, great problem-solving skills, and of course, you got to be tech savvy. You're going to be managing calendars and stuff. This probably requires you to be familiar with like emails such as Outlook, PowerPoint, all of those things. They want you to be familiar with the Microsoft 365 suite, and you'll need to be able to be a quick learner because you're going to have to learn how to use some tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams for those meetings and Azure DevOps. Now, again, this is a full-time W-2 position for the United States and a contractor position for Canada. Comes with a complete benefit package, including health coverage, dental, paid time off, 401k plans, and the pay is $23 an hour. Now, it does say they're looking for somebody to be a long-term virtual assistant, so that is 3 or more years. So they really only want you to apply if you're looking for somewhere to stick with permanently. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please leave down in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep an eye out for those. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.